Welcome to Cupcake Paradise, and let's decorate some gender reveal cupcakes. So first we need to take a cupcake and we're gonna core the center of the cupcakes. We're gonna do them one by one, and just in case you guys wanna see how we do it, this is how we do it. So you poke it with the sticky and the pointy end, and then you take out the middle of the cupcake. And we're gonna do alternating chocolate and vanilla cupcakes. You can change them, you can have them all chocolate, all vanilla, or half chocolate and half vanilla, however you like. These cupcakes can be made in original, vegan and gluten free. You can let us know what you like and we can make them for you. This is a nice, relaxing, real-time video of coring the cupcakes. It's very important that you angle the knife so that it develops like a shallow well kind of thing in the middle. Always don't forget to clean the knives in between each cupcake so that there's no crumbs getting transferred from one cupcake to the other. We already made a video for gender reveal cupcakes, but we wanted to change things up a little bit, so we are putting up a new video for that. In the end, we're gonna show you how we're gonna open up the cupcake and show you how it looks from inside, so don't go anywhere. We're done with all the vanilla ones, now we're gonna do all the chocolate ones. The cupcakes are really soft, so you have to be very, very careful while coring them. It's preferable that you guys don't go too deep, otherwise it might make the cupcake hollow. It totally depends on your recipe. Our cupcakes are really soft and moist, so you have to be careful that we don't go too deep, otherwise it might crack the cupcake in half. Okay, once we're done with all the cupcakes, it's time to put the filling inside. What filling do you think we're gonna put? It's pink. So it's a girl. Usually for girls we put pink and for boys we put blue. And that's just like a common thing. If you guys want, you can put any other color inside for you. One time when I was trying to bake these cupcakes, I had put some paper notes inside, but those ones didn't come out really well. Okay, now let's decorate the blue ones first. Nice clean frosting tip. Please make sure that you cover the pink and there's no gender reveal from the corners of the cupcakes. Let's check it out and so yeah, you really need to make sure that the pink is covered in the middle. While frosting, it's better to start from the middle or a little bit to the right, and then you can go around in the swirl. It's a big start, so it depends on how you're decorating it and what tip you're using. Pink. Step up the is the fun part. So these are edible toppers. It's like a little baby onesie, and you can customize it with your own family name or your last name. And we put them on all the cupcakes. So that way, if you're doing gender reveal for yourself, like for your own family, or you want to do like giveaways to all your family and friends to let them know if you're having a baby boy or a baby girl, this is a good idea. And these toppers are 100% edible, so you can eat the topper and enjoy the cupcake as well. It's a real-time video, so you always have to be careful while putting the toppers that you don't touch the buttercream, otherwise that might get transferred to the toppers and you might get frosting on the toppers, and you don't want that. Careful, gentle hands, slowly push it into the frosting. So if you're traveling somewhere with it, it doesn't move or it doesn't fall off. It's time for the last one. There you go. Now it's time for the fun part. Let's pick a random cupcake. Yeah, I completely ignored the holder, the two holes for the holder. You wanna eat it, you just put it away. Let's peel the cupcake liner. Break it open, be careful. How do I show it to you? Okay, let me just pull it apart. Yay, it's a girl!